Alright, first solo trip. I'm in here in Madrid, trying to figure it out. It's been a long day. They don't speak much English here, so pretty cool though. Stay tuned. We're here checking out this park now. It's clean, someone's running, it's very historical, it's beautiful here. Lakes, bars, restaurants all throughout it. It's in the middle of town, it's awesome. Check this out. What's going on, guys? Finally leaving Venice.
It's true.
10 out of 10.
Like, smash that.
One day. That's all you need. So I'm in my bed for the night, setting up with the boys. Hello. Charles is pissed.
We got his neck pillow.
He got his neck pillow.
Just 4 guys. No music.
So we'll be waking up morning in Munich, Germany. Let the games begin. Today's the day. What's going on, guys? I'm out here with Dylan right now. We're about to go skydive here over the Swiss Alps. Pretty nervous, pretty cold out. It's gonna be a good time. Just shouting out Cody, Adventure of a Seaman.
Hopefully we'll be able to finish this video after we've done that.
Hopefully, so don't forget, go follow him. Like, follow, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Feeling good? Feeling good, ready to go? Oh yeah. Let's go! I feel good, I'm ready. Yeah? Oh yeah. Oh hell yeah. Alright, amazing, best thing ever. Yeah? Best view in the world, absolutely, right here in Switzerland.